Why can't my program find a file with a hidden extension? Imagine trying to open a file and getting a message saying it cannot be found. Frustrating, right? Sometimes the problem is not the file missing but how your program sees the file. One common reason is hidden extensions. Many operating systems, like Windows, hide the last part of a file's name, which is called the extension. For example, a file named report.docx might just show as report in your File Explorer. If your program looks for report.docx, but only sees report, it won't find the file. This mismatch causes a file not found error. Hidden extensions can cause confusion because the file name your code uses must match exactly what is on the disk. If the extension is hidden, you might think the file is just report, but on the system, it is report.docx. Your program needs the full name, including the extension, to locate the file properly. Sometimes, files have special registry settings that keep their extensions hidden even if you turn on the option to show file extensions. This means the file appears without an extension in the Explorer but still needs it when you reference it in your code. Another thing to check is the file's attributes. Files can be marked as hidden at the system level. If a file is hidden, some programs might not see it unless they are set to show hidden files. To verify, turn on the option to view hidden files and extensions in your File Explorer settings. This way, you can see the exact name of the file, including its extension. Case sensitivity can also play a role. While Windows is usually case insensitive, some programming environments or platforms requiring an exact match in case. If your code says report.docx, but the file is named report.docx, it might not find it. Also, if you're using relative paths, make sure your current working directory is correct. If the program is looking in the wrong folder, it won't find the file. To fix this, first enable file extensions in your File Explorer. On Windows, go to the View tab and check File Name Extensions. Next, use absolute paths in your code instead of relative ones. This makes sure your program is looking in the right place. Check if the file is hidden or has a hidden attribute. If it does, either unhide it or modify your code to handle hidden files. Always verify the exact file name on disk matches what your program references, including the extension. If you're unsure about the file's extension, you can use tools like a hex editor or file signature viewer. These tools help identify the real file type and its correct extension. Be aware that some files have special hidden extensions managed by the operating system or registry. These might need specific handling or explicit naming in your code. When your program throws a file not found error, it usually means the name or path you provided does not match the actual file. Hidden extensions are often the culprit because the visible name differs from the real file name with its extension. By carefully checking the actual file name, confirming the path, and making sure your code references the full, correct name, you can usually solve this problem. This approach is a simple but effective way to fix bugs related to file handling and ensure your program finds all the files it needs.